Welcome back to the channel, Rocket Emoji. If you've ever wondered how huge cloud systems support today's apps, AI, and businesses with 99.9% uptime, you are in the right spot. In this video, we'll explore cloud computing infrastructure, how it operates behind the scenes, and why it's so crucial today. With Computrends, you can dive deeper into technology. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you need assistance. So grab your coffee emoji, and let's get started. Cloud computing represents a significant change in how businesses utilize technology, pivoting from traditional ownership to access to powerful resources. The layers of cloud architecture cater specifically to various business needs, boosting flexibility and efficiency. Each layer offers tools and services that allow users to concentrate on innovation rather than infrastructure issues. For instance, IaaS provides the foundation with virtual resources, whereas PaaS accelerates development, ultimately leading to SaaS, which gives users easy access to applications. This streamlined method not only simplifies operations but also promotes collaboration in a remote work environment. The final layer, software as a service, SaaS, embodies user accessibility and convenience. It enables immediate internet access to applications without the hassle of complicated installations, breaking down old barriers. Employees can effortlessly use powerful tools such as customer relationship management software, project management systems, and productivity suites. Additionally, SaaS providers regularly update their applications, ensuring users benefit from the latest features and security upgrades without extra effort, which significantly enhances their experience. In today's fast-changing digital world, the importance of cloud computing is immense. Businesses that must adapt quickly can rely on SaaS solutions for immediate access to essential applications that improve collaboration and efficiency. Google Workspace, for example, revolutionizes document creation and teamwork, allowing team members to edit, share, and communicate in real time, regardless of location. This quick adaptation reflects a larger trend: companies are no longer limited by physical infrastructure. Through SaaS, businesses can refocus on strategic goals rather than the complexities of managing software. This layer merges technology with user demands, forming an ecosystem where innovation flourishes, leading to sustainable growth in a competitive market. As the digital environment evolves, it is vital for businesses to grasp the potential of cloud computing and its layered architecture. This multi-tiered structure accommodates diverse operational needs and fosters innovation and agility. Organizations can quickly adjust to market changes without pause. Adopting cloud solutions, especially SaaS, enables teams to operate collaboratively and efficiently, enhancing productivity while reducing traditional constraints. By leveraging the unique benefits of each layer, companies can seize new opportunities that place them ahead of the competition, ensuring they thrive in an interconnected world. As we continue discussing SaaS, it's important to highlight its synergy with evolving data security and privacy. Due to rising cyber threats, SaaS providers prioritize enhanced security protocols, like encryption and multi-factor authentication, to protect sensitive data. This proactive approach not only secures users but also fosters trust, allowing organizations to embrace these solutions confidently. In this rapidly changing digital landscape, emphasizing technology with a focus on sustainability will determine future success. As we explore this transformative journey, it's essential to recognize that advances in cloud computing enrich user experiences and promote responsible growth. While harnessing cloud technologies, businesses also need to align their operations with sustainability principles. By implementing innovative cloud solutions, organizations can navigate the balance between profit and environmental stewardship. As we look forward, the intersection of technology and sustainability will undeniably influence cloud computing and the entire business sphere. As we approach the future, one undeniable reality stands out: success will hinge on aligning technology with sustainability. Organizations that adopt cloud solutions and prioritize eco-friendly practices will forge new paths and uncover innovative opportunities. This serves as a call to all businesses to view cloud computing not just as a tool for efficiency but as a catalyst for meaningful changes in operational philosophy. By promoting a culture that values technological growth alongside environmental care, companies can lead the way toward a sustainable, successful future. The journey through cloud computing underscores the vast opportunities that arise from merging technology with sustainability. By leveraging IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, businesses can reshape operational strategies while supporting the environment. As we advocate for innovative solutions and adopt sustainable practices, we must also commit to excellence and responsibility. The future calls with promise. Let us utilize the digital terrain to forge a thriving, eco-conscious world where profitability aligns with our commitment to the planet. Together, we can light the way to a prosperous, sustainable future. The growing dependence on cloud services marks a transformational shift in modern business practices. The narrative surrounding cloud computing emphasizes its crucial role in advancing technology and promoting environmental accountability. By harnessing this power, organizations can create a culture of innovation that drives success while ensuring a sustainable future for the upcoming generations. Adopting these principles will sculpt a thriving digital landscape, where growth inherently aligns with eco-consciousness.